Now Jim is carrying on the tradition here. The F4U Corsair, Korean War hero. This airplane was built later, missed World War II, but got to earn its citizenship and service during the Korean War. Today continues to tell that story of the Korean War heroes. This airplane, lovingly owned now by Jim and his wife Shelley. Front and center. This airplane, it served aboard the USS Boxer and the USS Valley Forge, making it one of the very few surviving Korean War Corsairs today. The crew chief who used to take care of it, Mr. Lenny actually took care of this airplane in World War II and then used to follow around with Jim in the airplane, going to shows. We've lost Lenny's been gone a few years now, but this was his ride, and boy, did he love it. Take a look.
Look at all the cameras.
I know, he's got more cameras on that than Kardashian. Look at all those cameras. Which one's your favorite view so far, Ricky P?
I like watching Jim, because I appreciate, well, as a pilot, you appreciate his, the touch.
The touch, yeah.
He's not hanging on to that stick.
He's got the touch, huh?
He's got the touch.
That means something completely different where I'm from. When you say someone's got the touch,
that's all right.
They can see your thoughts.
Just keeping it on the road.
I'm telling you, it's like, they mean, anyway, watch him. It's Ricky goes into it.
And they picked the tail up and shook it to make it look like it was flying.
Oh, my gosh.
And look at the cameras now on the big screens. Thanks again to Mark McGinn, Angela, his wife, out there setting up all the technical apparatus it takes to be able to show you not one, but 4 different views while he's flying here live over the birthplace, this area, the birthplace of aviation. How to celebrate the 250th. Wow.
Well, Jim's crew chief, Lenny, was just a great guy up there, taking care of this airplane in the Korean War. Back in World War II, you were talking about Pappy Boeington. At the start of all of this, Pappy Boeington's crew chief, Grover Sassaman. Now look at this next pass on the big screen.
Blue sky seeking missile.
Yeah, it sure is.
Found its target. Look at this.
Oh yeah, there's the roll. You see that? Something burbling up in the cockpit there. Did you see that?
To them to serve.
It did. And today, this is all that's left, these airplanes that stand as a tribute to them. So that's why we keep these things flying. Jim Tobul, the Korean War hero. You can go find him online at his website there. Just look for Korean War hero Corsair and you'll see what we're talking about. He's got a great social media account too. And look at those onboard images coming around here as Jim orbits back around with the touch. You can see his hand up there on the
trust that goes into making sure that these things are mounted correctly. And wow, got a little bit of a push there. He's got a little more muscle into that stick. The hesitation rolls because that's a big, heavy airplane.
It is a big, heavy airplane, a big monster of an airplane. Long nose out front, just remarkable here. Now, the business end of this machine is what it's all about. Those big forward-firing machine guns on this thing. And, of course, back in the war, he had rockets on it. Had all kind of cool stuff hanging off the wings on this thing. Very, very lethal machine. What do they call it in World War II, Ricky?
The Corsair, the screaming...
The whistling death.
The whistling death.
The whistling death is what the Japanese called it. I love watching that thing fly. It just gets me every time, this big Corsair here.
And overcoming things in design, it's like we needed the huge propeller and engine. The robust landing gear is going to help it. Dang it, we're going to have to bend the wings to make this work. So they did.
Watch them on this strafing pass. Let's see what we got here. As Jim Tobul brings it in down on the deck. Look at that. There we go.
I was looking at the camera, looking back over his shoulder there, and you could see that happen with the explosions. Very cool.
Pretty neat out there with the F-22 going by.
Yeah, yeah. The then and now. His dad
up for landing here. Got the landing gear down. This is not a Navy or a Korean War soundbite, but I just want to play this for you. This is the late, great Bob Hoover, who so many of us know and love. A guy that changed aviation forever and a member of the greatest generation. Just take a listen to this as we sum up our World War II segment here in our Korean War warbirds segment.
I've met so many wonderful people that I'm just borrowed a little bit from each of them. And I guess I'm really happy that's where I am.
Is there anything else you want to add, Bob?
Well, I've had a friend who used to jokingly say, Bob, if I thought I was going to live this long, I might have taken better care of myself.